Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to my video. Hi guys, explosion way over the world. Now people, we are on a Friday now, right? And this Friday morning, so beautiful day and feeling so good. I hope everyone that watches video give thanks for life. Million zillion years to come. Now we're going to do a video on the Constitution law here in America. And I am going to read out the amendment. I'm reading about 4 or 5 of the amendment. And I want you to just listen to something. He said, this is the first amendment. And the first amendment represents the chair. All right. It said, after the first enumeration required by the first articles of the Constitution, there shall be one representative for every 30,000 until the number shall amount to 100, after which the population shall be so regulated by Congress that there shall be not less than 100 representatives, nor less than 1 representative for every 40,000 person, until the numbers of representatives shall amount to 200, after which the population shall be so regulated by Congress that there shall not be less than 100 representatives, nor more than 1 representative for every 30,000 person. That means it might show you that how the seat run. Understand? How if you want to run for a state, you have to have one there. Understand? You have to have a politician here, politician there, politician there. Everybody got to run for the vote to get the chair. That's what. But you show you how much they should be. It shouldn't be over 30 or 40 or 50 or 70,000. That's what you mean. All right. And the second one said, no law verifying the compensation for the service of the senator or the representative shall take effect until the elections of the representative shall have interviewed. That means that no one should go into power or take no seat or become a government without the interviews or the politician they run for the vote for the people. And the third one says, Congress shall make no law respecting or establishing of the religion or prohibiting the free exercise therefore, or abridging the freedom of speech or of the press or the rights of the people peaceably to assemble the petition and the government of address of grievance. That means, see what I'm doing right here is a part of that act or a part of the rule. You cannot say, well, you're mad at me, I want to harm me because I am speaking to the camera like that. Because it gives me the freedom of speech. Understand? So I have freedom to speak and talk. So if my president do something wrong, I'm supposed to speak on it. If the rapper or whatever it is, it called freedom of speech. This is why I got the news and the radio. This is what them operate on. Any situation go down, they could yap them out on it. All right? So we're going to the fourth. The fourth one say, well-regulated militia bring necessary to the security of the free state, and the right of the people to keep, bear arms shall not be infringed. That means if I come from the Caribbean and I want to own a pistol to go bam, bam, bam at you, if you come into my house or violate my right, the government here in America have no right to take that from I. If I qualify for a weapon, I have the right to shoot gun. Understand? All the people in America in the 52 states or they add another state or whatever they're going to do the time to come, you still have the right to own gun. Understand? That means if your neighbor giving you a problem, you have a right to shoot him. If you go to the police and they don't want to stop it. Understand? That's what that means. And the fifth amendment, no soldier shall in any time or place required in any houses without the consent of the owner, nor in time of war, but in the manner to be prescribed by law. So I have soldiers in my house right now provoking me. Under the Fifth Amendment, I'm not supposed to be doing that. You understand? No soldiers not supposed to camp out in America among the people, sabotage their computer, listen to their mind, sabotage their phone, pick up their mail or steal from them. You understand that? That's what the Fifth Amendment defend here in America. The Sixth Amendment said the right of the people to be secure in their person, house, paper, if effect against the unreasonable searches or signatures shall not be violated, and no warrant shall be issued but upon peaceable causes, support by the oath or the affirmation, and practically describing the peace to be the search, and the person or things to be seized. You understand that? That means, say, if me write a rhyme, you're not supposed to take the rhyme. Understand? If me have a phone, it's none of your business. You shouldn't go up into my attic and steal my flashlight and give it to the other people in the land. Like the whole federal army steal my flash drive and my music. They have no right of doing that. That's why I tell them to return back my thing. And that's why I'm doing this. So them have no right to steal nothing from me. Understand? Under the Sixth Amendment, the soldiers them wrong at doing that. You understand? The soldiers them have no right at doing that. Understand? No law in America is supposed to steal and own. Because you have a right for my paper and my property, which is what is belong unto I. You understand? So anything I write is belong to me. You have no right to own that or take that. That's the Constitution law. The seventh one said, no person shall be held in answer of a capital or otherwise infamous crime unless the presentment or indictment of a grand jury expect in causing rising in the land or a naval forces or in the militia, when it actual service in time of war or the public danger, shall not any person be subject for a same offense to be twice put in jeopardy of life or limb, nor shall the completely in any criminal cases to be witness against himself, nor be deprived of life, liberty, and property without the due process of law, nor shall private property be taken from the public uses without just compensation. That means, so I told him in my video, he steal from my, him have no right for do that. If him do that and I bring it to the court of law, he get caught, him supposed to go to prison. And that's why them have no right of doing that. And them have no right to make you be a witness against your own self. This is what it I try to lie. I deprive for your life, liberty. That means if I get in $1 million or $100 zillion, your government here in the US have no right to do that. But they do that anyway. You understand? They don't have a right to steal your stock money, steal your music money, steal anything that belongs to you. You don't have no rights of doing that. That's what the Constitution law said, right? When they do that, what they do, practicing slavery amongst black people. That's what it is. And the 8th one, I'm gonna read this and I'm gonna stop. This is, you should read those things, man. All right. In all criminal prosecution, an accuser shall enjoy the right of speedily and public trial by any imperial jury of the state and district within the crime shall have been committed, which the district shall have been previously ascertained by law, and to be informed of the natures and the causes of the accusation, to be confronted with the witness against him, to have compulsory process of obtaining witness in his favor, and to have assistant to counsel for his defense. That means if you get locked up in a court, right? You don't have a lawyer, the government, which is be the state, have to give you a lawyer. Understand? This is the 8th Amendment. It show you or if you have a case, you know, you are as a person who commit a crime, you still have the right for a grand jury and still in the court of law. So even when you do right, you still have even when you do wrong, pardon me, you still have right in the court system. And this is the 9th one. In the suit of a common law, where the value of the controversy shall exceed $20, the right of trial by jury shall be pursued, and no fact tried by jury shall be otherwise be examined, and in any court of United States that according to the rules of law. That means you can sue somebody for $20. For $20, you can literally sue someone. That's the limit. If somebody owe you $5, you cannot sue him for it. If you owe $10, you cannot sue him. But anything over $20, right here in America, you could file a lawsuit. So if somebody owe you $1,500, you could sue him. If a person owe you $500, you could sue him. If he owe you $50, you could sue him. Anything over $20, you could sue him. All right, that's what they give you. All right, this is Article 10. This one shot. Excessive bill shall not be required, nor excessive fine imposed, nor cruel or unusual punishment inflicted. You see what they're doing to me here in America? They're breaking that 10th Amendment, because them do all of them things, that cruel act and unusual punishment upon that. Years they're doing that. But they do that all the time, so right now they're doing that. Article 11 says, the enumeration in the Constitution of certain rights shall not be constructed to deny the disprivilege others retaining by the people. That means that them don't have no right to violate the Constitution. You understand? That's what the text is saying. And this can go on and on. And this is the other one. It said the power not delegated to the United States by the Constitution or prohibited by it to the state and reserve of the state are respectively are to the people. And you should read these things, man. These constitution laws, you should read them, man. Anyone that like pursuing something for themselves, they should read it. And when you read it, it make you more smarter. Understand? Like I'm gonna read back Article Amendment 1. No soldier shall anytime in peace be required in any houses without the consent of the owner, or in time of war, but in manner of being prescribed by law. Always remember to read the amendment if you want to know your rights here in America. Do I read it right? I maybe stumble over a few words, but listen, I could read. That's why I did that, because they're telling people that I can't read. So anyway, yo, below my video, yo, pass this video around, man. Anywhere you come from in the world, read the Constitution law, know your step. Remember, no one have the right to own your property or search up your property, yeah? Or steal what's that belong unto them. In the court of law is a prison offense, yeah? All right, peace, people.